Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download a Google Docs document to your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left, and you want to select Download. And now you can select one of the various file formats here. So whether you want to do a Microsoft Word document, PDF, open document, rich text, HTML, zipped file format, or so forth, you have those options here. And then once you made your selection, just go ahead and select that, and then it should download to your computer, in which case then you can go ahead and open it up. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.